How to show notifications on iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Notifications. On this Notifications page, you manage how notifications from your apps are delivered and displayed. In the Display As section, you can choose how notifications appear on your lock screen. As you can see, by default, the option is Stack. Change the settings from Stack to List to see each one individually. Now, tap on Show Previews as shown. To see the content of all notifications on your lock screen, simply change the settings from When Unlocked to Always. Following these steps, you can easily show notifications on an iPhone's lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.